We are coming up on the mecca of Texas off-roading, Palo Duro Canyon and Merus Adventure Park. 5,500 acres of pure off-roading paradise in the heart of the Texas Panhandle. With over 52 miles of challenging trails for every skill level, Merus offers an off-road experience unlike any other in Texas.
I'm here to make you guys experience the best it can.
Callan was a great trail guide and spotter, and he also brought with him a little bit of history about the park and the canyon. One of the locals told us this would likely be the greenest we would ever see Palo Duro Canyon. In today's video, we'll be traveling along the VR4 North trail. It runs along part of the north rim of the canyon, and there is just beautiful scenery at every turn. Here at Cable Point, you can see the remnants of a cable system they used to use to harvest white cedar out of the canyon. But today we just got to take a look at the beautiful views and even caught a glimpse of some awdads. You can see a mama and baby at the top. Here at Hetz Bluff, it's just a good place to line up the Jeeps for a little photo op.
going to be a little bit of a drop on your right tire. Almost there. Here.
The easier line is to the driver's side. Passenger is a little bit harder, just whichever you would like to choose.
That brings us to the end of part 1 of day 1 at Merus Adventure Park. And trust me folks, it only gets better from here. In part 2, we'll be heading down the chute into the canyon, where we'll run the ravines and get into some tight spaces. See you next time.